It can be frustrating when your iPhone 14's battery seems to drain excessively fast when you're using cellular data. The constant access to the mobile network does use more power, but excessive drain likely indicates an underlying issue. Here are some troubleshooting tips to stop your iPhone 14 from draining its battery fast when using cellular data. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Restart your iPhone. Before anything else, take time to reboot your iPhone because draining can be just due to some minor glitches, which can often be fixed by simply refreshing the memory. To restart your device, press and hold either of the volume keys and the power button until the slider appears. Then, drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, and then turn on your iPhone again. Disable background app refresh. Apps that are refreshing data in the background are one major source of cellular battery drain. It's because they continue to use both data and battery, even if they're not being used actively. So, disable the background activities of apps you don't use more often. In order to accomplish that task, navigate to the Settings menu, select General, then Background App Refresh, and finally switch off the toggle for any apps that do not require it. Turn off auto download on cellular. The constant background downloading can really drain your battery, as your iPhone is continually using power to access the mobile data network and fetch new content. If it's not that important, then disable this feature by going to Settings, then App Store, and turning off auto download under the cellular data section. Downloads will wait for Wi-Fi and not constantly draw power. Make sure cellular signal is strong. Check the cell signal strength in your current location. Weaker signals force the iPhone to work harder to maintain the connection, consuming extra power. If you have a weak signal, then disable the cellular data service to prevent your iPhone from constantly scanning the area. To do so, just launch Settings, and then tap Cellular. From there, tap the switch next to cellular data to disable it. Don't forget to enable it back if you're already in an area where there is good signal reception. Enable low power mode. Low power mode limits background activity, refresh rates, and various battery draining features. Keep this mode enabled when out and relying on cellular data to optimize battery efficiency. To do that, launch Settings, and then tap Battery. From there, you should be able to tap on the switch next to low power mode to enable it. It is expected that your iPhone 14 will drain its battery quicker on cellular data than on Wi-Fi, but that's normal. We hope that these tips can help you conserve battery. Thanks for watching.